Hey everybody, it's Ruben from Mercury Cougar. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you're not following my Instagram page, please go ahead and follow it, Mercury Cougar. I got tons of content there from start to finish of my build, up to date as to what we're filming today. So today I'll be going over sound deadening. In Instagram, I've been updating there. I've showed you guys what it looks like from the inside. This video is a walkthrough, the final completed aspect of the Sound Shield treatment. Big shout out to John at Sound Shield for partnering up with me and supplying the Sound Shield sound deadener. If you're looking for sound deadener, check these guys out. They got an awesome product that I love. I did some research before I reached out, and I was amazed with what the product that they offer. So top-notch quality. You can get your product at mobilesolutions.com, which is a partner company of Sound Shield. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Well, hey guys, it's Ruben. So here I am inside the trunk of my 1968 Cougar. You're probably wondering why the hell I'm wearing a helmet. It's quite simple. The torsion bars that go in the back here to suspend my trunk lid are not attached. So I have this trusty piece of, 1x2 piece of lumber that's holding this piece out, or compressed wood I should say, that is holding this together for me. Wearing the helmet just in case it slips, safety first. So in this phase here, I'll be going over the trunk lid. I'll be showing you guys what I did with Sound Shield in covering this piece. Let me know what you think. Let's get to it. Oh, hey there. This is my back seat of my 1968 Cougar, draped in Sound Shield back here. And as I'm speaking, I've noticed that my sound is, if it makes any sense, deep. I can feel that it is insulated, which is a good thing, right? Once, of course, everything goes on the back, we'll be good to go. As I'm sitting back here, of course, you know, there's not any seats obviously in here. The wheel tubs, or the mini tubs, they did come in a little bit closer. So, you know, if you're, I don't know, 200, 260, or just a bigger person, you know, you're not really, you're going to have a little bit of a squeeze here. But that's not the point of this video, right? Or this section of the video. So here's everything covered up. Up here in the roof, or the ceiling here, I covered that part up too. Everything sounds good. I like the way my voice is echoing, if that makes any sense, inside. But I did the panels here. This also has Sound Shield here to sound deadening, the A-pillars here. I put this metal trunk separator. Highly recommend it. there was this thing about, if you get in a car accident with some of the Ford Pony cars, the gas tank could be crushed and then, spew gas on the inside. So I added this metal sheet. If you go back to my Instagram page, you'll see what I use there, but it's a long sheet here. It just pretty much blocks the trunk area from the inside of the cabin. Other than that, everything looks pretty good from this end. What do you think? Let's move on to the front and the middle part. What's up, guys? So the entire car is covered with sound shield, back from the trunk over to the ceiling, all the way to the front, into the firewall, and actually above that part of it too as well. Kick panels are also covered as well. So we got a pretty good sealant on a sound shield covered with this 1968 Cougar. The doors here, the inside specifically, if you can hear that, it's not that hollow sound. You can't really, well, it's all covered up, so it kind of sounds all thumpy. So on the skin itself, I covered it on both doors and even the back over here in the quarter panel. I covered that with sound shield too. I will have a sound system eventually in this vehicle, so I wanted a lot of the sound absorption to be channeled through the sound deadener to give it more depth and more resiliency. On the inside of the skin of the doors, I previously added a sound deadener years ago. It is subpar to sound shield. I tried to remove that off the door panels, but it was on there. It's too difficult to take off, and it just began tearing. So rather than go through that process and spend hours and waste time, I decided to leave the door skins with the previous stuff that I used. Check out my other video where I compare it. It's a two separated type that I use. Not the best results with that one, but it sounds like it's going to be okay on the door for now. Everything else is covered in sound shield with top-notch stuff. So we should be good to go. So that wraps up the tour of Camille's 68 Cougar in regards to sound shield and what I covered with the vehicle itself. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful in measuring a lot of this sound shield. I took a lot of the paper and I used that as a template to make better cuts rather than trying to place the mat on there and then cutting it to fit. So that's my recommendation with a sound deadener, is to take that paper and use that as a template, cut that out and go back. It's going to take you a little bit longer, but your result's going to look a lot better, your cut's going to look a lot better, and things are going to be a lot more uniform. The last thing is, all this stuff is going to be covered up too, so that's kind of a shame, but once you get your car running and operational, you're going to be glad that you went the sound shield route, because it's going to keep a lot of the outside noise, but it's also going to enhance the interior acoustics if you're an audiophile like myself. Until the next episode, thanks for watching, and thanks for following me both on my YouTube channel and my Instagram. We'll see you on the next episode of the Project Within a Project of Camille's 68 Cougar.